You're videoing right now. Oh.
Is that?
Everybody come up together slowly. Come up together slowly and we'll get a line. Nice and easy. Slowly.
One needs to hurry up.
Number 2, come out, please. We don't want to get ahead of the line. 2, 3, 4.
You don't have to start videoing
Hold
now.
hard. 2, 3, 4. Hold hard.
They're gonna. Ready?
3, 4. Hold hard.
Okay, I want to move up to starting line.
Hold hard. Hold hard, 1. 4. Hold hard.
That seems like a pretty orderly line, but 4 seems
Number 4,
Yeah.
hold hard. Number 3,
Two
hold
behind the
hard. We have alignment. Attention, please.
One's gonna win.
You can see it from here, like with the
It looks like.
It looks like we're ahead.
yeah. You can't see it from here, but
We're doing good. Yeah, we're definitely.
one or two.
We just gotta keep that pace.
Yep.
You can hear her screaming from here.
Joey, move over just a little bit so I can move forward. Thank you.
I think we won this one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they make it.
Wow, that's a long race.
Yeah, Michael, see his hand is out.
Yeah, we won.